Hello mamas, welcome to another vidmas video where I upload 5 holidays related videos, 5 videos a week until Christmas. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Alright mamas, so we are decluttering and organizing the kids' closet today. I am starting by removing all my son's clothes. He literally only have this space in the closet and it's a pretty big closet, so I wanted to give him more space, so that's what we're doing. So I'm going to start by just organizing this side of Rinabella's closet. I'm gonna remove these few items right here and then make some space for her dresses that are up there, and then also moving things from drawers to drawers. That way we have more space for the things we're gonna move from the upper level that I'll show you guys later. So now I'm just moving her PJs, and then after we're gonna move on to her bottoms. We're just gonna move it all to the right side of the drawers, and then I'm just gonna leave her swimwear on the very bottom drawers, and then those 2 upper drawers I'm gonna move them to my room. Okay, and like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna move all her dresses down so that I can move Logan's clothes up there. Rinabella now is dressing herself. She's choosing her own outfit every single day. So for her, in order for her to do that, I need to put everything down so that she's able to reach it, right? So that's exactly what we're doing today. We're moving everything down and then moving Logan's clothes up there. And you guys can see me from the mirror there. I'm just grabbing all Logan's clothes to put it up there. Also, there's a lot of empty hangers, so I'm just gonna put those aside for now. And I also just did laundry yesterday, so some of these clothes don't have hangers on them yet, so that's what we're doing here. We're just moving we're just putting hanger on all his clothes, and then we're gonna go ahead and hang it afterwards. now that we have all the clothes up, we're gonna go ahead and make it look a little bit better. So here I'm just taking off all the clothes that don't fit Rinabella yet. So this is the decluttering part. So yeah, I'm taking all the 2Ts and 3Ts. She already wears like girls size extra small to small right now, so she literally doesn't need any of these. So I'm just removing them to save for our family friends or for her cousin that's gonna move to Hawaii very soon. So that's what I'm doing here. And then yeah, I'm just leaving some empty hangers there because we still have tons of laundry to do to hang there later. Alright guys, and this is pretty much the end result for now. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it compared to before? Let me know in the comment below. And then we're gonna go ahead and move back to the area that I showed you earlier where I put Logan's clothes. Yes, it's that very tiny section right there. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and move this hanging closet organizer back in here. As you can see, the struggle was real here because that hook keeps on coming off. Anyways, I'm gonna hang it back there and put like his big boy clothes there. So it's pretty much the clothes that he doesn't really use yet. It's inside that bin that I just moved, but I'm gonna put it inside the hanging organizer. So that's what we're doing here. So first I'm just gonna move all these swaddling blankets up. We don't use this often, but we still use it when he's in his stroller if he gets cold, or when we go to the doctor's office. So these are still useful. And then I'm just moving on to the actual clothes right now. Like I said, his big boy clothes. These clothing were hand me down from David's coworker, but we still, we keep them because he's gonna eventually wear them when he's much bigger. Anyway, so these are his Christmas PJs. I was having hard time organizing these because I want to use them, but I don't know how to like put them in here because we're gonna use them sooner than the others. But I figured it out later on, so you'll see. Okay, and next we're gonna move on to this area of the closet. As you can see, there's already things up there and everywhere, but now I'm just putting all the clothes that don't fit Rinabella anymore. Yeah, so I'm literally just folding it and putting it on the side for now because I don't want it to clutter the room. I used to have like all of these like in the living room inside bags, ready to go or ready to give away, but it's just cluttering in my living room, so I'd rather have them in a closet stored somewhere, and I'll just put it in a bag later on when the people that are ready to receive them are there. And you guys will see it in a bit, but the bins up there have a lot of like baby carriers and baby items that we don't use anymore, but we still eventually will give away or sell. And then the rest of the bins or the bags up there have like Rinabella's old clothes that we're gonna give to her cousin or family friends, like I said. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's videos, Mama. I hope that it gave you some motivation to declutter and organize your house as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Please give the video a like if you liked it and share it with everyone so they can also enjoy it themselves. All right, talk to you in another video. Bye. Mwah.